Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will begin a new unit, Unit 8. This unit will focus on observing the sky. Our essential question for this unit is, why do the sun and moon capture our imagination? As we read through our unit, keep this question in your mind so you can answer it at the end of the unit. Our objective for the unit is to be able to share what you know about things you can see in the sky during both day and night. Also in this unit, you will read and compare both informational and literature stories about the sky. The video you are going to watch next will introduce you to specific vocabulary such as sun, moon, sky, and planets. The video will show you several different events related to the sun, the planets, and the sky. So, boys and girls, fasten your seat belts and get ready for a fun adventure observing the sky.